Yeah, I am audible. Anyone can respond me? Okay, okay, thank you. So today's lecture actually I am going to take on the behalf of Dr. Mustaq Ahmed sir. Okay, he is busy in another task. Okay, so sir told me actually he has already discussed something related to the embedded system. So today I will start from the level of abstraction. Okay, so we know very well whenever you are going to think about embedded system, so there are three terms which we should know related to the level of abstraction: behavior form, structural component, and physical object. So whenever you are going to discuss related to the behavioral structure and physical, so first we should understand what is the impact related to the transistor, gate, resistor, and processor. So if you see here in this slides, level of abstraction, so all of you are see the slides. Can you confirm me? Slides? Can you give me message? Are you able to see the slides? Okay, Anurag. Okay, Tanmay. Okay, thank you. So based on the transistor, the related to the behavior form, so that is the differential equation. So we know very well what is the meaning of differential equation, series, characteristic, and the structural component here is shown like as a capacitor, resistor. Okay, and related to the physical object, that is the analog and digital. What about the gate? So we know very well that the gate, if we are talking related to the gate, so definitely that will correlate to the Boolean equation and finite state machine chart gate or XOR, XNOR. All these are the gate and flip flop and model unit. And correlated to the register, that will be the algorithm, flow chart, instruction set, and related to the structure adder comparator means all these things actually are given related to the level of abstraction. If you talk about the processor, the executable aspect program, processor, and PCB, MCM, all these things, matrix and multiplication, all these things we can perform all these by the help of processor like that. So all these things correlated to level of abstraction. Just see, and if you feel any doubt, definitely I am able to solve your problem. We need to go to next slide. Related to the design methodology. Okay, so we have already completed to the level of abstraction of behavior form, structure, and physical, and all these are the level form. So now question is that how we have performed and how we will think related to the design methodology. So that is the capture and simulate. Okay. So whenever you are going to design any methodology, first start with a specific set. Start with a specific set of representation of product, and a small team of chip architect produce regular block diagram, and then logic designer convert each block function into equivalent circuit scheme. So that is the process related to the capture and simulate how we will perform design methodology in this level of abstraction. Now, next is describe and synthesis. So in this design and synthesis, we can perform in a new way, allow use of describe the design in purely behavior form. Design structure are automatically generated by CAD tool, and describe and synthesis can be applied at the several level of abstraction. So describe and synthesis can be applied. So we know very well related to describe and synthesis. So we can apply it in several level of abstraction, maybe behavioral, maybe structural. Okay, all these things we can perform related to the design and methodology. Now say, describe and synthesis, if you think related to the gate level, so using logic synthesis, the gate level that will divide it into two parts. One is the related to the logic minimization, and second one correlated to the technology mapping or NAND gate, NOR gate, RTL, DTL, and MOS, CMOS, all these things. Okay. So related to the logic minimization, when you are going to think related, it means we are performing the minimization of Boolean expression. So we know very well related to the minimization of mean term, max term, related to the digital logic. Whenever you have learned related to the digital logic subject, definitely that will come related to the how we can perform the minimization Boolean equation related to the logic. Okay, and based on the NAND NOR gate, we can again perform. So all these things correlated to the actually gate level. So here describe the describe and synthesis gate level basically shows the how we can perform the gate level by the help of logic minimization and technology mapping. Okay. Now next one describe and synthesis related to the register level. Okay. So based upon this register level using behavior synthesis technique, okay, described by the programming algorithm, flowchart, data flow diagram, finite state machine chart, instruction set. All this term that whenever you are going to describe by the programming algorithm, so all these things we need to learn actually. Because whenever you are going to talk related to the programming things, definitely what should be a flow chart of programming and where our data is flow. Okay, and finite state machine chart, instruction set, all these things we know. Okay, so we can perform all these things in this way and describe synthesis in gate level. So we have already discussed how we can perform design synthesis in gate level. That is the two way. One is the minimization of Boolean algebra. Second one will be the gate. Thanks. Okay, so that is correlated to the describe and synthesis register level. Now, question and answer. While logic and synthesis and why it took long time to expect behavior synthesis than logic synthesis. So this question actually just try to solve on one way, and if you have any doubt to Mustaq will give you the appropriate answer related to these things. Why logic and synthesis? Because of you have already previously learned from the day one related to logic and synthesis, so that is correlated all these things. And why it took long time to expect behavior synthesis, then logic synthesis. Okay. So let's first of all discuss, because sir will tell me just completed on this slide. What is the slide number? 17. So anyone can unmute your mic and can you give the answer why logic and synthesis we have applied? Anyone? Just rethink and give me answer. No one. Okay. No problem. So based on the why logic and synthesis, logic means what? That is correlated to the logical synthesis, and that will be synthesized. It means जब भी हम basically if you are talking related to the computer engineering, logic synthesis क्या होता है basically? That is the process बाय विच एन ऑब्स्ट्रैक्ट जो होता है बेसिकली इसके जो लॉजिक सिंथेसिस की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ उसमें जो ऑब्स्ट्रैक्ट होता है स्पेसिफिकेशन ऑफ डिजायर्ड सर्किट बिहेवियर टिपिकली ट्रांसफर लेवल। तो इसका जो भी आपका डायग्राम बेसिकली बनता है रिलेटेड टू द एक्सॉर एक्सनॉर उसमें हम लोग क्या करते हैं बेसिकली वहां पे रजिस्टर ट्रांसफर लेवल की बात करते हैं। ओके, तो जब ये आरटीएल की बात करते हैं तो ये जो होता है ये कन्वर्ट होता है इनटू अ डिजाइन इंप्लीमेंटेशन इन द टर्म ऑफ लॉजिक गेट। ओके, और इस जो लॉजिक भी बनता है उसको बेसिकली एक कंप्यूटर फॉर्म में हम लोग इसको सिंथेसिस टूल बोलते हैं। ठीक है, तो जब भी मैं एम्बेडिंग की बात कर रहा हूँ बिकॉज ऑफ वी आर द सब्जेक्ट रिलेटेड टू द एम्बेडेड सिस्टम। ओके, तो embedded system means कि we have already something designed, but question is then कि how we have embed these two different operating system at yes same operating system and perform to some operation as per our requirement. Okay, so that is the main things related to the embedding. It means we need to write down some program, that program understandable by that operating system and perform all tasks as per our requirement. तो दैट इज द मेन रिलेटेड टू द एम्बेडिंग। तो इसमें बेसिकली लॉजिक क्या क्या हुआ कि यहाँ पर जो भी मैं इंप्लीमेंटेशन कर रहा हूँ अपने आरटीएल की बात कर रहे हैं रजिस्टर ट्रांसफर लेवल ये सब सारी चीज अपने क्या एक लॉजिक गेट के थ्रू इंप्लीमेंट होता है। लेकिन जब भी मैं कंप्यूटर प्रोग्रामिंग की बात कर रहे हैं इसमें अगर टिपिकली अगर इसको एक कंप्यूटर प्रोग्राम की बात करें तो उसको हम लोग एक सिंथेसिस टूल बोलते हैं। ठीक है, तो ये बेसिकली जब भी आप एमबेडिंग की बात कर रहे हो तो उसमें आपका लॉजिक और सिंथेसिस का बहुत बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट रोल होता है। तो दैट्स व्हाई लॉजिक एंड सिंथेसिस आर टू मच इंपॉर्टेंट इन एम्बेडिंग। ओके, नाउ सेकंड वन इज द व्हाई इट टुक लॉन्ग टाइम टू accept behavioral synthesis than logic synthesis. Anyone can give me answer? अगर यहाँ पर मैं लॉजिक सिंथेसिस की बात कर रहा हूँ इट मींस व्हाट logic synthesis it means that will implemented by the term of logic gate because of logic means nothing that is different thing that is logic means here is the logic gate this gate yeah. So I'm basically related to the logic synthesis. So whenever logic synthesis term will come it means that is correlated to the logic gate and typically computer program में इसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं synthesis tool. So that's why we have called logic synthesis. और बिहेवियर सिंथेसिस में क्या होगा बेसिकली आपका व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ बिहेवियर सिंथेसिस?
According to Merriam-Webster, one is the composition or combination of parts or elements so as to form a
बिहेवियर सिंथेसिस Anyone know any response from the student side actually? So what is the meaning of synthesis? Synthesis means what? We need to synthesize. Synthesize in the sense means uh, we can say combination of part, yeah, elements. That is the meaning of synthesize. A behavior synthesize means, okay, which type of behavior performed by the combination of part like that. This means why it took long time to accept behavior synthesis than logic synthesis. So what will be the solution related? Why it will take long time to accept behavior synthesis than logic synthesis? इसमें बेसिकली आपको सबसे पहले ना आरटीएल का कॉन्सेप्ट समझना पड़ेगा. Then you are able to understand actually. So what is the meaning of related to these things? So in previous slide related to the behavior synthesis, once a minute, just go previously slide, then we are able to understand related these things. So here right now main related to the synthesis means what? Describe synthesis may allow us to describe the design in purely behavior form. Okay, and design structure are automatically generated by CAD tool. तो जो भी अपने डिजाइन स्ट्रक्चर की बात करेंगे तो ऑटोमेटिकली वी हैव अ CAD tool. By the help of this tool we can easily automatically generate a design structure, and describe and synthesis can be applied at the several level of abstraction. Describe and synthesis can be applied at several level of abstraction. तो यहाँ से एक चीज तो क्लियर है कि we can apply maximum number of level related to the describe and synthesis. Okay, तो after logic no need or understand. Okay, तो यहाँ पर अपना सेकंड क्या था? डिस्क्राइब बाय प्रोग्रामिंग एल्गोरिथम, फ्लो चार्ट, डेटा चार्ट, ऑल दिस थिंग्स, एंड डिस्क्राइबिंग सिंथेसिस गेट लेवल. ओके, so why it took long time to accept behavior synthesis than logic synthesis? Because actually both things actually go in a deeper way. Means maximum number of level of abstraction we have used both things related to the behavior synthesis than logic synthesis. Okay, so in next class sir will actually give me appropriate answer related second one, but first one we have understand what is the meaning of logic and synthesis. Logic means what? That is correlated to the logic gate. ओके, तो जब भी मैं आरटीएल की बात करते हैं तो वो जो अपनी आरटीएल होती है दैट इज द वन वन फॉर्म ऑफ द लॉजिक गेट. और जब इसको कंप्यूटर टर्म में अगर इस चीज को बात कर रहे हैं तो बेसिकली अपना क्या होगा, वो एक सिंथेसाइज टूल की बात करते हैं वहां पे. तो दैट इज द टर्म रिलेटेड टू लॉजिक एंड सिंथेसाइज. तो सो दैट्स all for the my side. If any student have any doubt or question, can ask. Otherwise, sir will start next class related to the major synthesis task. any questions from your side? Kindly give me answer. Okay, fine. So next lecture, sir will take. Okay, and whenever any doubt related to this subject, then sir will solve it actually. Because of that subject, little bit some things difference, and this subject you are able to understand by the help of example actually. Just try to identify some example related to this term, then you are definitely understand how mainly these things we can apply on embedded. Okay, okay, thank you for my side. Okay.